Hello my YouTube friends. Today I'm working on a 2009 Nissan Rogue. This is the same Nissan that I did a video on showing the starter location. The customer already replaced the starter in this car and he called me because it's clicking. He has a new starter and he has a new battery and the car is just clicking. So I'm just going to try to diagnose it real quick because I have to go pick up my daughter. So what the first thing I'm going to do, I want you to hear the click, and hopefully you can hear the click loud enough. Be right back. So hopefully you heard those clicks. Like I said, he just changed the starter on this. He just got a brand new battery, as you can see. But now when I just checked the battery, I'm not good with multimeters, but I know that a battery is supposed to read at least 12.2 to 12.6 volts, and this thing's supposed to be brand new. And the only thing this thing is reading is a 12. So I don't know if the battery came like this, or something just drew all the power out of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the multimeter. Hopefully I can do it right here. Hopefully you can see it. Well, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my positive and I'm gonna put it in my positive, and I'm gonna put the negative with the negative. And you see what it got? Hopefully you can see that. Let me see if I can zoom into it really good. Let me see. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's actually 11.92. It don't take a rocket scientist. Like I said, I'm not good with multimeters, but this battery is supposed to read at least 12.6 volts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, before I start keep going diagnosing anything else, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go take this battery back to AutoZone where he got it from. I think he paid about $110. I'm gonna change it and I'm gonna come back, and I should have my daughter with me. She'll be my camera girl. Hopefully you can see that number there. Let me see if you can see that number there. Oh no, you can't see. Sorry about that. Let me put it right here. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. Let's try it again. See it? It's supposed to be 12.6, between 12.2 I think it is, until 12.6 volts. And this battery is supposed to be brand new, and it's an 11.93. Like I said when I started the video, that I don't know if it was already fully charged or something killed the battery. So what I'm gonna do is, because he has a new starter, the first thing I'm gonna do before I start going and doing anything else, I'm gonna change the battery, and I'll be back and I'll see if it works. The other thing I want to show you is, hopefully, let me take this multimeter out. I'm gonna turn the lights on, and hopefully you can see. Let me just bring this down. The lights look real bright. I'm gonna turn them on. So I think you can see it right there, that the light is real bright. Let me zoom in. You can see that in there. It's real bright, right? But watch when I try to start the car, it'll turn off like something is drawn out of it. It gives me an indication that it's the battery. Hopefully you can hear the sound, and hopefully you can see how the light was trying to turn off. But let me just show you somewhere else right quick. In the inside light, how it dies. Let me see if I can put you on the top and put the lights. Let me see, where is that? Okay, there it goes. Watch the lights on the top. Ready? Watch what happens when I try to turn on the car. You hear the click, and you see how this is turning back on and off. So what I'm gonna do is change the battery to see if that's what's gonna fix the cause of this problem. If not, I'm just gonna have to keep diagnosing and see what is the problem. I'll be back. This is non-mechanic.
We are in AutoZone, picking up with the battery.
We're gonna pick up the battery. We're here in AutoZone. You look so beautiful. Let me see.
Like my necklace?
Let me see. Nice. Sorry, my friends, it got dark on us. I put the battery. As soon as I put the battery, it started beeping. The horn started beeping. So let's see the car starts now. Let's see. It's cranking. Hello, my friends, I'm back. Yesterday was a little too dark to record, so I just stopped recording. I just stopped recording completely. Now, the battery was dead. I went to AutoZone. I recharged it. We recharged it, and you heard at first, before I charged the battery, you heard the click, 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 the starter. We found out the battery was dead. I charged the battery. As soon as I charged the battery, the alarm went on. And then what happened was it started going vroom, 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 it's cranking like the car wanted to start. So now, I'm not going to get a lot of thumbs down, but it's alright because I know it's going to help somebody out. Like I said, I stopped recording last night. I did a lot of job last night, but it was too dark to record because then, you know, people is not going to see it. So, okay, so what I found out was the click, battery charge, started going boom, boom like the car wanted to start. So at first I thought, but what I discovered was, if you look in here, let me just show you first. You see this right here? This is the belt. And you see how the belt was in there? The belt, let me go from far. The belt was all cracked like this. And the reason why the car didn't want to start, look and see, let me just show you the whole thing. Look at how it's cracked. It's all broken. It has this right here, look at how it is. So it was stuck. And the reason why the car didn't want to start was, so what I did was I cut the belt. So once I cut the belt, it started, because if you see down there, the AC compressor is not rotating. So like it's not rotating, it doesn't let the belt move. So when it doesn't let the belt move, what happens is this, that the battery start losing charge. So I cut the belt, and as soon as I cut the belt, the car started. So I'm just gonna show you. Hopefully you can hear it once I start it. And don't have no belt. And here we go. So the belt now the car starts. So if you're having that problem and it's not rotating, it's because the belt, something over here, either pulley or something is stuck and it's not preventing it from moving. So in this situation, like I said, it's the AC compressor. The customer went to get the AC compressor, and we can put the belt and we'll put everything on, and this job should be done. And hopefully this helps you out. I know I'm gonna get a lot of thumbs down, but it's okay because there's always one person that's gonna benefit from it. I'm not a mechanic, and I'm a non-mechanic. I'm out here, I help people out, and this is how I get my blessings. And once again, let me just give you a recap. The starter was changed. The customer changed the starter here. he changed the battery. The battery went low. It was draining. So when the battery was draining, what was happening is it was going click, 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 click. I knew it was the battery. We charged the battery. As soon as I charged the battery, the alarm went on, and it started going boom, boom, boom. Something was preventing it from rotating. So what I did was, like I said, once again, check your belt. If you notice, the belt is cracked. I just showed it to you. And what happening is the reason why also because it's old, and also because it's not rotating because of the AC compressor down there. So before you start changing parts and everything, make sure that the engine is rotating, make sure that the pulleys is working, make sure everything is rotating over here, and you should be okay. Once again, this is Now Mechanic. Thank you for watching.